At Pan-Oston, we don't just deliver products, we stand behind them every step of the way. Our field operations team is made up of technical experts who ensure your fixtures perform flawlessly where it counts, on site. From professional installation and preventive maintenance to grand opening support and service calls, we're there when it matters most. We also offer refurbishment programs and service kits to help extend the life of your equipment, reduce downtime, and keep your business running efficiently. Wherever you are, whenever you need us, Pan-Oston's field operations team is your trusted partner in the field.
Pan-Oston has a combined total of over 80 years experience in servicing customers in the field operations department. One of the major responsibilities of the field operations department is to ensure total customer satisfaction after the sale. When an issue arises, it is the Pan-Oston field operations that are first line of defense. We are to analyze the problem, we are to get with the internal teams inside and develop a plan of action to correct it.